Hello boys and girls from grade 2. Welcome to our new book 2A. This is Nofal Gattan and today we will continue Unit 4 with Episode 3. Let's have fun. Today we will focus on punctuation, writing and spelling. Alright boys and girls, let's revise the punctuation rules. We capitalized when needed. We always capitalize the first letter of the beginning of our sentence, and we capitalized the names, the days of the week, the names of the months, and the countries as well. We use the full stop at the end of our sentence, and we use a question mark at the end of our question. Now, let's play and go fishing together. She likes cooking. She likes cooking. What do you think, boys and girls? Which fish we should catch? Is it the yellow fish with a capital S and a full stop? Or is it the gray fish with a capital letter S and a question mark? She likes cooking. I'll give you a minute. Excellent. She likes cooking. She likes cooking. Excellent, boys and girls. We capitalize the letter S here because it is the beginning of our sentence. And at the end of our sentence, we use the full stop. She likes cooking. Excellent job. Now, let's move on to the next example. Can you play football? Can you play football? What do you think, boys and girls? Which fish we should catch? Is it the yellow fish or the gray fish? What do you think? Is it with the yellow fish with a capital C and a full stop, or the gray fish with a capital C and a question mark? Great job! Can you play football? Excellent, boys and girls. Here we capitalize the first letter C in can, and we end up our sentence with a question mark because it is a question, not a sentence. Can you play football? Excellent. Now, let's move on to the next example. What do you like doing? What do you like doing? Which fish we should catch? Is it the yellow fish or the gray fish? The yellow fish has a capital W with a question mark. The gray fish has the capital W with a full stop. What do you think, boys and girls? Which fish we should catch? Excellent! Great job! Capital W and a question mark. What do you like doing? What do you like doing? Here we capitalized the letter W because it is the beginning of our question, and we end up our question with a question mark. Excellent, boys and girls. You're doing so well. Now, let's move on to the next example. I like running. I like running. What do you think? Which fish we should catch? Is it the yellow fish or the gray fish? The first fish has a capital I and a question mark. And the next fish has a capital I and a full stop. What do you think, boys and girls? Which fish we should catch? Great job! Capital I with a full stop. This is the fish that we should catch. I like running. I like running. The letter I here is capitalized because it is the beginning of my sentence and I finish my sentence with a full stop. Great job, boys and girls. Let's move on to the next example. What does Sarah like doing? What does Sarah like doing? Which fish we should catch? What do you think, boys and girls? Is it with a capital W and a full stop, or the fish that has a capital W with a question mark? What do you think, boys and girls? What does Sarah like doing? Great job! With a capital W and a question mark, of course. What does Sarah like doing? What does Sarah like doing? Here, the letter W is capitalized because it is the beginning of our question. And at the end of our question, we have a question mark. Excellent, boys and girls. Let's move on to the next example. Sarah likes skating. Sarah likes skating. Which fish we should catch? Is it the fish with a capital S and a question mark, or the gray fish with an S and a full stop? What do you think, boys and girls? Which fish? Great job, boys and girls, with the capital S and of course the full stop. Sarah likes skating. Sarah likes skating. Here, the letter S in Sarah is capitalized because it is the beginning of my sentence and because it is a name of a girl. And at the end of my sentence, I ended up with a full stop, of course. Now, let's write together, boys and girls. Reorder words to form sentences with the correct punctuation marks. Take a close look at each and every picture and try to read the words with me so we can reorder them correctly. Number 1. You do what like doing. Remember, boys and girls, you have to reorder words to form correct sentences and use punctuation marks. Number 1 again. You do what like doing. Excellent. What do you like doing? It is a question. Here, the letter W, it is capitalized because it's the beginning of my question, and at the end of my question, I used a question mark. Great job, boys and girls. What do you like doing? This is the best order of a question. Number 2, take a look at this picture. Roller skating, I like. Roller skating, I like. Remember, boys and girls, reorder and use punctuation. Excellent. I like roller skating. I like roller skating. Here, the letter I is capitalized because it is the beginning of my sentence, and I end up my sentence with a full stop. Excellent, boys and girls. Let's move on to the third example. Take a close look at this picture and let's read the words together. Painting, likes, she, trees. Again, painting, likes, she, trees. Remember, you have to reorder and punctuate. Excellent. She likes painting trees. She likes painting trees. The letter S here is capitalized because it is the beginning of my sentence, and I end up my sentence with a full stop. Great job, boys and girls. Number 5. Take a look at the picture and think of the sentence. Let's read the words together. Play, can, you, table tennis. One more time. Play, can, you, table tennis. You have to reorder and punctuate. Great job, boys and girls. Can you play table tennis? Can you play table tennis? It is a question. The letter C here is capitalized because it's the beginning of my question, and at the end of my question I used question mark. Number 4. Take a look. See the X. Can't I know? Can't I know? Remember, you have to reorder and punctuate. No, I can't. No, I can't. Great job, boys and girls. The letter N here is capitalized because it's the beginning of the sentence, and I end up with my sentence with a full stop. Great job, boys and girls. Now, let's spell together. Read the paragraph, then complete. So you have to look at the picture, think of the word, and try to write it. This is my family. We like sports. I like playing. What is it? Look at the picture. My brother likes playing. Again, take a look at this picture. I'm going to read it one more time. Think of the missing words. This is my family. We like sports. I like playing. Space. My brother likes playing. Space. What do you think, boys and girls? I'm going to give you 1 minute. Excellent. The first one is basketball. The first one is basketball. This is my family. We like sports. I like playing basketball. My brother likes playing table tennis. Excellent, boys and girls. Basketball, table tennis. I'm going to read it again for you one more time. This is my family. We like sports. I like playing basketball. My brother likes playing table tennis. All right, boys and girls, we have reached the end of today's episode, and in this episode we learned so many fun things. In this episode we learned how to use punctuation marks, reorder words to form sentences with prepositions, and spell words. Thank you for watching me this episode, and I hope to see you the next one. Goodbye.